There's your bowl right there in the center. Now you're gonna take your crescent roll triangle, and we're gonna place that right there, using our fingers to press down the dough. And now we're gonna take some roast beef. This is just deli roast beef. We're gonna line that up on each.
Regular roast beef.
Yep. Now, you could actually get fresh cut roast beef if you wanted to, but we are showing you a quick and easy version, and we are using crescent rolls as the base. I have 2 cans of crescent rolls there. Sauteed peppers and onions. Just sauteed these bad boys in a little bit of oil, and you can add whatever seasonings you want. And you're just gonna take your spoon and just kind of tap it and give it a press all around so that all of your fillings are nice and snug. And there's one other important thing we need for our Philly cheesesteak.
Cheese. I can get that. That's in the fridge. All right, here we go. Ooh, I guess we're going with provolone, right?
Yes, provolone is a staple in Philly cheesesteak. All right, we take our sliced provolone and we're just gonna fold that in half. And that's gonna fit nicely around each side. And that way you get a double dose of cheese. Y'all don't tell me I was too stingy with the cheese this time. Surely not. Beautiful. And the great thing about this is that it will bake in literally no time. This is one of the easiest, fastest recipes you could ever have. So now you're gonna take the end of your crescent rolls and you're just gonna tuck it under using your fingers. Roll and tuck. Sounds like a safety.
It's tuck and roll.
Tuck and roll, but we're like rolling it and then tucking it. And as I said, this is 2 cans of those crescent rolls. And this is definitely gonna be a crowd pleaser, but you could put all different kinds of things inside of this. Let me know in the comments what else you would use to fill yours. If you look on our page, we actually have all of our old videos still available for you, by the way. If you click the videos button, it will take you to a list of every video we've ever posted. So if you saw one and you missed it and you want to go back, that's your chance to find it. And you will find a couple different recipes using these rings. I have done it with ham, egg, and cheese. I've done it with pizza. We've done it with strawberry cheesecake. Just tuck that in, that is perfect. Now we're gonna take that egg and we're gonna crack it inside of our bowl. And we're just gonna mix that up and then brush over the top of our crescent dough. And this is gonna give us a nice golden crust. I will say this, y'all. Eggs are crazy expensive, y'all. Tell me why they are so expensive right now. Have you heard what's going on with the eggs? I'm very curious. And also, how much are they going for where you're from? But that's it. Super easy. Just a couple ingredients. We're gonna pop this in the oven. Basically, you're just following the instructions on the crescent dough can. You're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. And then we're gonna taste test. Oh my gosh, that looks so good, y'all. And our puppies have been hanging out in the kitchen ever since because they smelled it too. Let's do a taste test. What do you think? Woohoo! Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? So I'm just going to use my spatula and cut a slice right here. You've got all the good stuff inside there. Oh yeah, look at that. Woohoo! I cannot wait to taste this. Kyle, you got to get in here too.
All right, here we go.
Nice melty cheese. You may cut a piece for you. Here you go.
All right, let's see what we have.
You take that piece.
All right.
I'll take this piece.
Ah, it's hot.
I know.
All
Here you
right,
go.
here we
Ready?
go. Here you go. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here you go. Philly cheesesteak. I'll let you try it first. Good.
Not a good combination of flavors.
It is good.
That's really good. So quick and easy. This is great for parties, appetizers, dinner, lunch. Throw it together. Thank you for whoever requested this. This came from you. You guys told me you wanted me to make this. So let me know in the comments what you want to see next from us and we'll make it here for you.
Philly cheesesteak. Delicious.